Hey guys, welcome back to the Planet V. Today we are now in Chefchaouen, which is a 3.5 hour drive from Fes. This city is known as the Blue City because of this different use of blue. Join us as we explore the small roads and streets of this ancient city. Let's go.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of Chefchaouen, Morocco's very own blue pearl. Get ready for a colorful journey through one of the most photographed cities in the world. We kicked off our adventure with a seamless booking through Tarbush Travel, a highly recommended agency we stumbled upon in the bustling Medina of Fez. Their organized pickup and top-notch communication made our trip to Chefchaouen a breeze. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet. Chefchaouen is famous for its mesmerized blue-washed buildings, a tradition that dates back to the 15th century. Jewish refugees fleeing the Spanish Inquisition settled here and painted the city blue to symbolize the sky and heaven. This practice not only adds to the city's vibrant and calming aesthetic, but also has practical benefits like repelling mosquitoes and keeping interiors cool. Our day tour from Fez included a few scenic stops along the way, and we had about 3 to 4 hours to explore Chefchaouen. Trust us, that's plenty of time to soak in the beauty of this magical place. Before diving into our tour, we enjoyed a delicious lunch at a restaurant in the main square, with stunning views of blue-painted houses and the majestic Rif Mountains. Beyond its iconic blue buildings, Chefchaouen offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of other Moroccan cities. Nestled in the Rif Mountains, the city boasts fresh mountain air and pure spring water. The Medina is a treasure trove of local crafts, including woven goods, brass teapots, and colorful textiles. And let's not forget the food scene. Think traditional Moroccan dishes like tagine and couscous, often accompanied by a refreshing cup of mint tea. A must-visit landmark is the Kasbah, a fortress of the heart of the Medina. Dating back to the city's founding, the Kasbah now houses a beautiful garden, a small ethnographic museum, and an art gallery. From its towers, you can enjoy stunning panoramic views of Chefchaouen's blue landscape. The Medina of Chefchaouen might not be as complex as the one in Fez, but it's still a delightful maze. Without a map, you might accidentally wander into someone's home or private courtyard. Oops, but getting lost is part of the fun. You'll stumble upon beautifully decorated corners, some of which ask for a small donation to maintain their picture-perfect charm. Keep an eye out for these hidden gems throughout the city.
Here we are, guys. There's a lot of blue things to see here.
Everything is blue.
Everything is blue indeed. Like that. And like that. And it's the season of oranges. So, oh, I'm so red. Why? Chefchaouen's history is as colorful as its buildings. Founded in 1471 to fend off Portuguese invasions, the city showcases a blend of Berber, Jewish, and Moorish influences. This cultural fusion is reflected in its architecture, winding alleyways, and vibrant markets. When we arrived here, guys, I was panicking. Oh my gosh, I don't see anything blue. We only saw the city from an upper part of the road. And it's actually bluer inside the streets. Look at these beautiful doors and windows, all painted in blue. So when you come here, you will find some streets which ask for donation, which is not expensive, like 5 dirhams, 1 dirham, 2 dirhams. So aside from the blue color, you will also see a lot of cats in the streets. They're just chilling kittens. Their mommies maybe. Here you have a lot of choices of places to take your photos and videos.
This is amazing. You just like feel like in a fairy tale, but people actually live here.
Yeah, they say that it's enough if you just spend here 24 hours.
But maybe, actually that's maybe enough, because you can get also overwhelmed and oversaturated with all those 50, 100 shades of blue.
But this is the thing, there are a lot of small streets like in Fes, but painted in blue. So if you compare this with Fes, in Fes it's more brownish. Of course, this one is bluish. Hey, hello, yes. There's a lot of cats around.
And now they're somewhere on the top.
And I don't know where we are now. Oh, it's actually nice in there. Look at that, guys. Yeah. So Fes is also a walled city, and there's a backdrop of towering mountains. And true to its name as the Blue City, the cemetery, the niche, they're also in blue. And of course, if you visit the Medina, this city is not just blue, because you will also see a lot of carpets, which are very colorful. I'm not sure if they're, handmade like in Fes. Chefchaouen's unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty makes it a must-visit destination in Morocco. Whether you're drawn by its iconic blue hues, its serene atmosphere, and its rich cultural tapestry, Chefchaouen promises an unforgettable experience. Thank you guys for joining our visit here in Chefchaouen. A lot of people are visiting this area as a day tour, but I think it is really much better if you spend the night and then wake up early in the morning when there's almost no one in the streets.
Yeah, because many people come here for one day, so during the midday,
like us.
I think it's quite busy. And colors might be also different because of the sunlight.
Yes,
Yeah.
morning. It's much cooler and shadows are not that harsh. So if you have time, if you have the budget, come and visit Chefchaouen when you visit Morocco. It's a beautiful place to be in. Until next time, see you again soon. Ciao.